Problem for the emitter biased transistor. Okay, emitter stabilized bias. Okay, and in this problem, okay, kakunin ulit natin yung IB, IC, IE, VCE, VB, VC, and VE. Okay, now, given yung VCE sat natin, okay? So, nakaspecify yung VCE sat natin dito. 0.2 volts. Meron tayong base resistor na 470 kilo ohms, collector resistor na 8.2 kilo ohms, and emitter resistor na 1 kilo ohms. Now, okay, guys, sa previous problems, okay, nakasanayan na natin na una nating i-solve is yung collector saturation current. Okay, again, sinusolve natin sa umpisa yung collector saturation current para safe tayo makakapag-solve ng IC and IE and VCE mamaya. Okay, so let us now solve for the IC SAT. Okay, so para ma-solve ulit yung IC SAT, maglo-loop tayo from VCC. Okay, dadaanan natin yung voltage drop ng collector resistor, dadaanan natin yung voltage drop ng collector to emitter junction, and yung voltage drop ng emitter resistor equal to 0, okay, down to the ground. So makukuha natin, tatawagin natin siyang loop number 1, okay, by KVL. So loop number 1, makukuha natin equation 1 by KVL. Okay, makukuha natin na VCC, okay, minus ICRC minus VCE minus IERE, that is equal to 0. Okay, to get IC SAT, okay, kailangan natin i-isolate si IC sa isang side ng equation. And to do that, first, kailangan natin i-replace yung IE, okay, yung variable na IE in terms of IC. And we know that IE is equal to IC over alpha, no? And alpha again is equal to beta over beta plus 1, which in this case is 100 divided by 101, and that is equal to 0.99. And IE is equal to IC divided by 0.99, or equal din siya sa 1.01 IC, which is approximately equal lang silang dalawa. Okay, so pwede na lang natin bastang palitan na lang, okay, since IE is approximately equal to IC naman. So papalitan lang natin. So ang nangyayari, VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus ICRE is equal to 0. Okay, so substitute natin and itatranspose natin yung both terms sa may IC. Okay, so mangyayari VCC minus VCE is equal to ICRC plus ICRE. And if factor out natin yung IC, makukuha natin VCC minus VCE is equal to IC multiplied by the quantity of RC plus RE. Okay, so divide lang natin both sides by RC plus RE. Makukuha natin na IC is equal to VCC minus VCE all over RC plus RE. And since IC SAT ang sinusolve natin dito, okay, isa-substitute natin sa VCE yung value ng VCE SAT, which is, in this case, defined siya as 0.2 volts. So, IC SAT is equal to 12 volts minus, okay, at saturation, minus 0.2 volts, and divided by RC, which is 8.2 kilo ohms, plus RA, which is 1 kilo ohms. And that would be equal to 1.283 milliamperes. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung collector current natin is hindi pwedeng lumagpas sa 1.283 milliamperes. Okay, and going back to the circuit. Okay. Now, to get IB, okay, maglo-loop naman tayo dito sa left side. Okay, dadaanan natin yung VCC, okay, minus yung voltage drop ng base resistor, minus the voltage drop of base to emitter junction, minus the voltage drop of the emitter resistor. Okay, so mangyayari, makuha natin ang loop na yan. Okay, sa loop na yan, makuha natin ang equation. At tawagin natin siyang loop number 2. Okay, So, makuha natin from loop number 2 is the equation number 2. Okay, so, equation number 2 by KVL again, makuha natin VCC minus voltage drop ng base resistance IBRB minus voltage drop ng base to emitter junction minus voltage drop ng IE, okay, RE. That is equal to 0. Okay, so to get IB, kailangan din natin i-replace si IE in terms of IB. Okay, sa equations nga natin, dun sa lecture natin, no? IE is equal to IB plus IC. And nakuha natin to by KCL. Kasi nga, okay, current entering is equal to current leaving. So, current leaving dito is the IE. And yung current entering dito is IB and IC. Okay, now, meron din tayong transfer formula. Okay, yung transfer function. Na IC, okay, IC is actually equal to beta IB. Okay, and by substituting yung transfer function dun sa KCL, okay, makuha natin IE is equal to IB plus beta IB. So, ni-replace lang natin yung IC ng beta IB, kaya IB plus beta IB. And kapag finactor out natin yung IB, makukuha natin na IE is equal to IB times beta plus 1. Okay, dinerive natin tong formula na to para mapalitan natin yung IE dito sa equation na to ng IB. Okay, mapapalitan natin yung IE in terms of IB para masolve natin si IB. Okay, so makukuha natin, okay, sa original equation, VCC minus IBRB minus VBE, okay, minus, okay, substitute na natin IB times beta plus 1 times RE. That is equal to 0. Okay, so ang gagawin natin sunod, ita-transpose natin sa kabilang side, okay, i-isolate natin yung variable na IB para makuha natin yung value niya. Okay, so mangyayari, VCC minus VBE is equal to positive IBRB plus IB times beta plus 1 RE. Okay, now, okay, sorry, di pala kita. Okay, so, ang mangyayari, susunod na gagawin natin, i-factor out natin yung variable IB. So, makuha natin VCC minus VBE is equal to IB times the quantity of RB plus beta plus 1 RE. Oh, anong susunod natin gagawin? I-divide na natin both sides of the equation by RB plus beta plus 1 RE para maiwan yung IB sa kabila. So, ID now, okay, yung value ng base current natin. Okay? The base current now is equal to VCC minus VBE divided by RB plus beta plus 1 RE. Okay, so meron tayong VCC and meron tayong default value ng VBE. Okay, kahit hindi siya given, alam natin na may default value siyang 0.7. Meron tayong RB and meron tayong RE. Meron din tayong beta. So, substitute lang. VCC, 12 volts minus VBE na 0.7 volts divided by RB, which is 470 kilo ohms plus beta plus 1, which is 101 times RE, which is 1 kilo ohms. So, dito, nakuha natin ang value ng IB or the base current is equal to 19.79 microamperes. Okay, now, to solve for IC or the collector current, okay, so gagamitin lang ulit natin yung transfer function. Okay, try natin. So, IC is equal to beta IB. Okay, gagamitin na natin yung transfer constant, which is yung beta. So, makukuha natin IC is equal to beta 100 multiplied by IB na 19.79 microamperes. At dito, using the transfer function, makukuha natin na IC is equal to 1.979 milliamperes, which is mas mataas sa saturation current. Okay, sabi nga natin, okay, ang IC or the collector current is hindi pwedeng lumagpas, okay? Hindi pwedeng lumagpas sa IC SAT na 1.283 milliamperes. So therefore, mali itong sagot na to. Okay, so hindi pwedeng gamitin yung transfer function ngayon kasi yung transistor natin is saturated. Okay, at dahil saturated si transistor, okay, na-prove natin since lumagpas siya dito sa IC SAT. So, dahil ang transistor is saturated, therefore, ang IC natin is equal to the IC SAT, which is equal to 1.283 milliamperes. Okay, at dahil saturated din, VCE, okay, meron na agad tayong sagot sa VCE, is equal to VCE SAT, which is equal to 0.2 volts. Okay. Now, to solve for IE, okay, IE is hindi pa rin nagbabago. IE is equal to IB plus IC pa rin. So, by substitution, makuha natin, IE is equal to 19.79 microamperes, okay, value ng IB plus value ng IC, which is 1.283 milliamperes. And that is equal to 1.302, okay, 303 milliamperes. Okay, so nakuha na natin ang value ng IB, 19.79 microamperes, okay? At dahil na-solve natin kanina, na-prove natin na transistor is saturated, okay? Na-discover natin na saturated siya. So, IC is equal to IC SAT, which is 1.283 milliamperes. And VCE, since saturated then, VCE is equal to VCE SAT, which is 0.2 volts. Okay, now, meron pang natira. So, solve natin VB, VC, and the VE. Okay, to solve for that, okay, gagamit tayo. Okay, maglulup ulit tayo. Okay, babalik tayo sa taas. Okay, so, para makuha natin yung VB, okay, yung VB, or the base voltage, siya yung voltage na ma-measure natin dito sa base. Okay? Dito sa base. Ito yun. Okay, pag nag-measure tayo dyan, nag-connect tayo dyan ng, okay, ng voltmeter. Okay, and nilagay natin yung kabilang side ng voltmeter sa ground. Okay, yung makukuha natin dyan is the base voltage. Okay, dito naman sa kabila, kapag sa collector naman tayo nagsukat, okay, naglagay tayo ng, okay, nilagay natin yung probe ng voltmeter dyan. Okay, and nilagay natin yung kabilang probe ng voltmeter sa ground. Makukuha natin dyan is the collector voltage. Ganon din dito, sa emitter, kapag sa emitter naman tayo nagsukat ng voltage, ang makukuha natin dyan is the emitter voltage. Okay, so now, para makuha natin yung base voltage or the VB, maglulup tayo, okay? Maglulup tayo from VCC, okay? Dadaan tayo dito sa VB down to the ground. So, maglulup tayo hanggang dito. So, tatawagin natin siyang loop number 3. So, sa loop number 3 by KVL, okay? KVL, okay, makuha natin VCC minus IBRB minus VB is equal to 0. Okay, so tatranspose lang natin yung VB sa kabila. Makukuha natin VB is equal to VCC minus IBRB. Okay, Okay, so makuha natin by substitution, 12 volts minus IB na 19.79 microamperes. Okay, times RB, which is 470 kilo ohms. Okay, makukuha natin ang value ng base voltage is equal to 2.699 volts. Okay, to solve for VC or the collector voltage, magluloop naman tayo ngayon dito from the VCC to the to the collector. Okay, magluloop tayo from VCC to the voltage drop to the voltage of collector down to the ground. Okay, so makuha natin. Tatawagin natin siyang loop number 4. So, sa loop number 4, KVL again, VCC. Okay? So, sa loop number 4, VCC minus ICRC minus VC is equal to 0. And transpose lang natin si VC. Makuha natin VC. Okay, the collector voltage is equal to VCC minus ICRC. Okay, substitute lang natin. Magiging 12 volts minus IC, which is 1.283 milliamperes times RC na 8.2 kilo ohms. So, makukuha natin VC is equal to equal to 1.479 volts. Okay, now solve for VE. Okay, VE dito sa problem na to. Okay, pwede tayo mag-loop from VE to the ground. Okay, so makuha natin VE minus IERE is equal to 0, or pwede natin sabihin na VE, sorry, di pala kita, VE is equal to IERE. Substitute lang natin, VE is equal to IE, which is ang value ng IE 1.303 milliamperes times RE, which is 1 kilo ohms. So makukuha natin sa VE ay 1.3 volts. Okay, so ang VB natin, the base voltage is 2.699 volts. VC is 1.479 volts. And VE is 1.3 volts. Okay, so summarize lang natin. Okay, hinanap yung IB, IC, IE, VCE, VB, and VB. PE. Okay, sunod natin yung IC SAT. Okay, usog-usog lang. Okay, hindi pwede yung transfer function kasi ang transistor natin ay saturated. So, IC is equal to IC SAT, which is 1.283 milliamperes. VC is equal to VC SAT, which is 0.2 volts. IB natin ay 19.79 microamperes. Okay, and meron tayong IE, which is, hindi pala na box, 1.303 milliamperes. Okay, so tuloy tayo. Nakuha natin yung voltage sa base, which is 2.699 volts. Voltage sa collector, which is 1.479 volts. Voltage sa emitter, which is 1.3 volts. That would be our final answers.